Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever used Mailchimp to send out emails, you've probably noticed the footer section at the bottom of your email, the part with your company info, unsubscribe links, and maybe even some branding. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to edit that Mailchimp footer, so your emails not only look more professional, but also represent your brand exactly how you want. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to customize the look and feel of your Mailchimp footer, and you'll have more confidence making your newsletters truly your own. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open up your Mailchimp account and navigate to your email design. This is where all the magic happens. If you're working on a campaign or a template, you'll want to be in the design editor where you can see all the different sections of your email laid out, almost like blocks stacked on top of each other. Find the bottom of your email, that's where the footer lives. This is the section that Mailchimp automatically adds so you stay compliant with email marketing rules, but the good news is you can personalize it. Go ahead and click directly on your footer at the bottom of your email design. You'll notice as soon as you do this, a menu or options bar appears on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find everything you need to edit your footer. Sometimes it's a little tricky to spot, but don't worry, you're in the right place if you see things like section backgrounds and text show up on the left. Let's take a closer look at those options. The first thing you'll see is the footer section. This is where you can make broad changes, like adjusting the overall structure or content within your footer. For example, maybe you want to add your company's slogan here or modify the default message Mailchimp puts in. This is your space to put your unique stamp on your footer. Next up, you'll see section backgrounds. This lets you change the background color or even add an image to make your footer stand out. Think about your brand colors here. For instance, if your emails always use a light blue palette, you might want your footer to have a matching or contrasting color to keep everything looking cohesive. Then you have text, and this section is pretty straightforward, but also super important. Here you can tweak the font style, size, and color of the text in your footer. Maybe you want your company name to pop with a bold font, or you want to keep things minimal with a simple, clean typeface. Remember, the footer is often where crucial information lives, like your contact info or legal disclaimers, so make sure it's easy to read. Now look for the links section on the left. This is where you control the appearance of any hyperlinks in your footer. You might want your unsubscribe or update preferences links to stand out. A good tip here. Choose a link color that's easy to spot but still fits your overall design. Think blue for a classic look, or use one of your brand's accent colors for a personal touch. Under that, you'll see padding. Padding is basically the little invisible space around your content. If your footer text looks a bit squished, adding more padding can create some breathing room and make everything feel more polished. Lastly, there's the border option. Adding a border can give your footer a clear separation from the rest of your email, almost like drawing a gentle line under everything. You can choose the thickness, style, and color of your border, or even leave it off for a cleaner design. Take your time exploring each of these options and don't be afraid to experiment. If you make a change and don't love it, you can always adjust it back. Editing your Mailchimp footer is a fantastic way to make your emails feel truly yours, and it only takes a few clicks. Alright, that's the rundown. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button. If you have any questions or run into any snags, leave a comment down below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more Mailchimp tips and email marketing tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing those footers.